In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to rearrange and reorganize the photo albums in the Photos app on your iPhone. Now for this tutorial, I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro, but it's the same instructions for other iPhones and also iPad. So go to the Photos app on your iPhone, tap on it, and that shows or rather opens the photo library. What you want to do is tap on Albums, and that will show you all your albums. Now, if you don't see all the albums, tap on See All, and that's going to show you all the albums, or rather all the photo albums on your iPhone. So go ahead and tap on Edit in the top right corner, and then you can now reorganize these photo albums. So for instance, if you want to move this album to the top, all you have to do is long press on it and just move it to the top. Okay. Now, these two albums that are automatically generated by your iPhone, recent and favorites, will always be the first two, but the rest you can reorganize. So if you want to bring this one here, you can do that. You can move this one here. You can do that. And I wish I had more albums to show you exactly what this is gonna look like. If you have multiple albums or many albums, this is the best way to do it. But anyway, once you're done rearranging and reorganizing the albums, you can tap on Done in the top right corner, and that's going to be your new arrangement of albums in the Photos app. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.